Welcome, coding stars! Today we'll learn how to create fun dance moves in Scratch. We'll make a dance animation that loops for 5 seconds. Ready to groove? Let's go! Imagine your sprite dancing with cool costumes on a colorful stage. Sounds awesome, right? Let's get started. What are motion and looks blocks? Motion blocks. They control how your character moves, like taking steps or spinning. Think of them as your dance instructions. Looks blocks. These control how your character looks. Perfect for switching between fun dance costumes. Want to learn more about these blocks? Check out our previous videos linked right here and in the description below. They cover everything you need to know to become a motion and looks block pro. What is a repeat in programming? Before we start, let me share a cool coding trick. Sometimes, we want the computer to do the same thing again and again. Instead of writing the same instructions many times, we use loops. Loops help the computer repeat tasks without extra work, just like putting your favorite song on repeat. In Scratch, there's a block called repeat. It looks like an orange box. You put your instructions inside it, and Scratch will repeat them for you. Fun blocks for dance moves. Move 10 steps. Your character takes small steps like a dancer. Turn right or left. Spin your character around. Perfect for fancy moves. Go to random position. Teleport your dancer across the stage. Glide to X, Y. Slide your sprite to a new spot smoothly. Switch costume. Change your character's outfit to colorful dance clothes. Say woohoo! For 2 seconds, add fun speech bubbles during the dance. Let's make a spectacular dance performance. Choose a sprite. Pick a dance character from the Scratch library. Add the dance moves. Drag move 10 steps and turn right 15 degrees blocks. Use the next costume block for colorful outfits. Grab the repeat block. Go to Control, drag the repeat block, and put the dance blocks inside. Set the number to 50. Smooth out the moves. Add a wait 0.1 seconds block for smoother moves. Test it out. Click the green flag and enjoy your 5-second dance party. Add dialogue. Use the say block for your sprite to shout, "This is the best dance party ever." Here is a challenge for you. Can you add cool sound effects or background music? Bonus points if your character gets an encore with even wilder moves. That's it for today, coding stars! Now it's your turn to bring your dance character to life. Be creative, experiment with different blocks, and wow everyone with your awesome animations. If you had fun, remember to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more coding adventures. And don't forget to check out those previous videos linked in the description for more great tips. See you next time. Bye-bye.